So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Revti Baba, and in today's video or vlog, I'm gonna be taking you along with me. Today is the 31st, so I just wanted to document today and just show you guys how I celebrated my 31st of December, the last day of 2020. So yeah, that is what this video is about. So if you're interested, then keep watching, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please guys सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार. एक सब्सक्राइब करने से आपका कुछ नहीं बिगड़ेगा और सब्सक्राइब करना फ्री होता है, तो प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब करो. एंड नाउ विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स जस्ट गेट राइट अवे इनटू द वीडियो. तो अभी सुबह के 5 बजे एंड गेस हु हैजंट स्लेप्ट द होल नाइट एंड हैज स्टेड अवेक. Yeah, it's me. I slept actually kal in the after I slept for 4-5 or 5-6 hours, and I didn't feel sleepy in the night. Like in the whole night I didn't feel sleepy at all, and I've been on my phone for the past 4-5 hours, like window shopping basically. मैं मेरे phone पे either editing करती हूँ या तो window shopping. So I was doing window shopping and I am finally bored. So now I just wanted to eat something. So अभी मैं sandwich बना रही हूँ, and actually मेरे 31st के कोई plans नहीं है, but let's see how the day goes. I'll see what to do. I'll definitely do something, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I was craving for sandwiches, so that's why I made some sandwiches. Like I wanted to eat something, so that's what I'm doing. Like I'm gonna be eating. अभी थोड़ा गर्म है. So हाँ, ये पिछले like lockdown में on and off my sleeping pattern has been fucked up, like on and off all the time. So पूछो ही मत यार, लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में ना, वैसे भी लॉकडाउन नहीं भी था तो भी मेरा स्लीपिंग पैटर्न ऐसा फक्टअप ही था इंटर्नशिप में एंड कॉलेज लाइफ में. बट एनी वेज आई हैव टू स्टॉप दिस, आई हैव टू ब्रेक दिस पैटर्न ऑफ लाइक ऑन एंड ऑफ माई fucked up sleep pattern because I have to work. And yeah, when I was working तब तो नहीं करती थी, but फिर भी on and off बीच बीच में मेरा चालू रहता है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू स्लीप अर्ली, गेट अप अर्ली. एवी भी मैं कुछ करती नहीं हूँ, तो जग के फ़ोन में टाइम पास करने से अच्छा सो ही जाओ, है कि नहीं. तो वही अभी आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू. आई एम गोइंग ईट माई सैंडविच एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग वॉच अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ TV. एंड या आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू मैन. व्हेन आई डू समथिंग फन आई स्टार्ट व्लॉगिंग. So guys, at 8 o'clock I went to sleep, and now it's 2:30 something. So I got up at 2:25 or 2:20. So yeah, so now I'm gonna freshen up, and I haven't had lunch clearly because I was sleeping. So yeah, and even my mother hasn't had. So let's see what we're gonna do or where we are gonna eat because she hasn't cooked. So yeah, I'll take you guys wherever we go or whatever we do. So guys, it's almost 7 o'clock, and I have gotten dressed up, as you can tell, and even my mom has gotten dressed up, and I really did not know what to do, where to go. So I just got dressed up, and then I thought, let's just ask my best friend. I'm planning, like I am not just planning, we are actually, me and my mom are gonna go for dinner outside. So I was just thinking to which restaurant to go. So my best friend Dhanashri recommended me to go to 1 BHK, which is in Oshiwara, and I saw its ratings also on Zomato. They were quite good. So yeah, we are going there. We are waiting for a cab to come, and yeah, I'm so excited to go out and have an amazing dinner date with my mother. This is the last day of 2020. I cannot even believe it, like seriously. And from today, like today is the last day of me eating junk. From tomorrow I'm definitely gonna not eat junk as much as I can, avoid eating junk. So yeah, I just want to, I've eaten junk a lot in the past couple of days because I went to Goa as well. Like in Goa I ate fish mostly, but I also ate a little bit of junk as well. So I don't know, I just feel I haven't been working out in this whole 2020. In the beginning of 2020 I lost 10 kgs, and after lockdown happened I did work out for a month, and then I just stopped working, and then again in between I started. So there was no consistency. So in 2021 I'm looking forward to having consistency because I really want to lose weight. I think I might have gained 1 or 2 or more kgs when I went to Goa. I haven't weighed myself after returning from Goa because I'm really scared. I don't want to look at that, weighing machine and see myself gain 2 to 3 kgs because that will make me depressed. So I just don't want to see that. Instead, I'm going to be working out from tomorrow, and I'll see and after that, after 10-15 days, then I'll weigh myself and see how much I've gained or lost. I haven't gained any weight in this whole 2020. In the beginning, I lost 10 kgs, but after that, after lockdown happened, I didn't really, gain weight. So I was grateful for that, but I don't want to gain weight, BB. So yeah, I'm really scared, and I don't know why I'm talking about my weight, but yeah, that's just what has been going on my mind for many days now, and I feel really bad that I haven't been working out. So yeah, hoping I work out from tomorrow. Like at least 4 days a week I should be working out. Let's hope. Also, I'll see you guys once I reach the restaurant because I don't want to bore you with more blabbering. So yeah, bye. With my mom to the washroom. So actually, like a guy came, so that's why I shut my mouth and he entered inside because I got embarrassed talking to the camera. इसलिए फिर. So I love how cute the washroom is. I'm someone who even admires the washroom when she goes to the restaurants. Like, I don't know. And I love this dress from H&M. You're gonna see H&M ka haul very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I ate so good food that I'm so satisfied. I can't even tell you guys. Like, इतना अच्छा खाना था ना, क्या बताऊँ मैं. पेट भर गया है. मुझे एक्चुअली और कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है, बट अभी देयर इज नो प्लेस इन माय tummy. So I have to stop. And yeah, and what do you guys think about this dress? Isn't it cute? I love it. It just makes me feel cute, and yeah, I'm feeling nice. So we are gonna go now. So we got off the cab and now we will come back home. We are actually building के नीचे. So yeah, कितने बजे actually 11 बज गए. So 31st is almost over and it's gonna be New Year and the first day of 2021. And you know what, I'm so excited to write on my planner from tomorrow onwards. I'm gonna stop. So yeah, I thought कोई पहचान वाला है इसलिए I was gonna stop vlogging. But anyways, they are unknown people, so I'm just gonna continue talking. So yeah, I'm so excited कि कल से मैं मेरे friends के planner में लिखने वाली हूँ. And yeah, I ate so much. My tummy is so freaking full. I can't tell you guys. बहुत ही ज़्यादा पेट भर गया. So हम घर पे आ गए हैं. तो अभी मैंने चीज़ केक लाया है पार्सल क्योंकि 12 o'clock I'm gonna cut that cake with my mother. And अभी मुझे actually नींद आ रही थी कैब में आते वक्त. But anyways, I'm gonna see you at 12 o'clock. तब तक I'm gonna freshen up and get into my comfy PJs. So I changed in my PJs and I'm feeling really very lazy to वॉश माई फेस ऑफ। वैसे भी मैंने कोई मेकअप किया नहीं था एक्चुअली। मैं जब गोवा गई थी तब मेरी स्किन बहुत अच्छी थी। आई वॉजंट ब्रेकिंग आउट, लाइक आई डोंट नो, गोवा की हवा का था मतलब गोवा की हवा की वजह से नहीं कुछ हुआ कि क्या खाने का पीने का या वट एवर, बट आई डिडंट ब्रेक आउट एंड सो आई डिड नॉट अप्लाई मेकअप इन Goa at all. Like I used to apply only a liner and kajal, just like how I've done it now, and lipstick, just that. I never applied a highlighter, neither did I apply foundation, concealer, कुछ भी नहीं. Like I did have good skin. Obviously blemishes तो दिख रहे थे, but I wasn't breaking out, right? There were no active acne when I was in Goa. So yeah, so I didn't apply makeup and आज भी मैंने कुछ makeup नहीं किया है, सिर्फ लिपस्टिक लगाया जो चली गई है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली खाना खाया, एंड ये लाइनर मस्कारा लगाया और काजल लगाया जो कि आपको दिख ही रहा होगा। सो या उतना ही किया। ब्लेमिशेस तो आप देख सकते हो इधर है, कंसीलर कुछ लगाया नहीं है मैंने, और ये पता नहीं शाइन क्यों कर रहा है, लाइट शायद रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही है मेरी स्किन पे, बट मैंने हाइलाइटर नहीं लगाया है। एंड हाँ, दैट्स जस्ट हाउ माई स्किन लुक्स, बेयर स्किन लुक्स। मैंने सिर्फ टैल्कम पाउडर, नॉट इवन यू नो वो कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर भी नहीं लगाई है मैं एक्चुअली मेरी मॉम ने ना बायोटिक का ना टैल्कम पाउडर लाया था लाइक फेस के लिए, तो वो मैं लगा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई अप्लाई क्रीम लाइक मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम फॉर माई फेस एंड देन माई फेस लुक्स वेरी ऑयली, सो टू मेक इट लुक you know matte, like I want my face to not look oily, so because of that I apply talcum powder, otherwise उतना भी नहीं करती मैं। I'm so lazy, I don't do anything to my face, like because I'm lazy, you know, and I love doing makeup once I do it, but the process, it takes so much of patience that I don't feel like doing makeup, and this is my unnecessary blabber, but अगर किसको इंटरेस्ट है तो सुन लो। तो अभी 40 minutes बाकी है, तो until 40 minutes I'm just gonna do a little bit of time pass and maybe remove my makeup or sleep just like that. Don't be like me, never sleep with this shit on your face. You should always sleep with your clean face, right? So don't be like me, don't be like Revti. So yeah, I'll see you at 12 o'clock. Guys, it's almost 1 ही मिनट बचा है। I don't know if you can tell, 1 ही मिनट बचा है, तो इसलिए I have taken the pastry and you know तैयारी कर ली है। अभी as soon as it strikes at 12, I'm gonna start cutting this pastry with my mother. Actually पेट बहुत बड़ा भरा होता है, इसलिए फिर मैंने आधा किलो का केक है, 1 किलो का केक लिया नहीं, मुझे लेना था बट देन इट वुड हैव गॉन वेस्ट, एंड कल से मुझे हेल्दी खाना है। सो या क्या
आपण दोघीच इतना एवढा मोठा केक,
हाँ, सो मम्मी बोल रही है इट्स 12 o'clock, सो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू मी, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू अस, Happy New Year 2021. Hope this year turns out better than the last year. Happy New Year.
हॅपी न्यू इयर. नवीन वर्षाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. नूतन वर्ष भरभराटीचं, समृद्धीचं, सुखाचं जाऊ, हीच ईश्वर चरणी प्रार्थना. वन्स अगेन हॅपी न्यू इयर. बस एकदम थोडं मला नको आहे आता भात, थांब.
So, I don't know what I sang, but you get the point and you get my feelings, right? कसं वाटलं केक? नाही वाटलं? पुदिना टाकलं असं वाटतंय ना? This is a cheesecake and okayish है. It's a different kind of, you know, cheesecake. मतलब taste normal cheesecake से अलग है, but okayish है. So happy new year from me and mine to you and yours. So I hope everyone's 31st was as good as mine, and yeah, here's to hoping that 2021 is even more better than 2020 was. In fact, not just better, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा हो, सबके लिए खुशियाँ लाए, peace लाए, good health लाए. Health is the most important thing. So hope this 2021 everyone's health is good and everybody gets what they wish for. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just hope you enjoyed watching this vlog because I certainly did have a lot of fun vlogging today. I know ज़्यादा कुछ मैंने नहीं किया, but you get it, you right? अभी गोवा जाके आई, अभी और क्या ही करूँ, तो भी आज you know डिनर जाके बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. In fact, I was planning just to stay in and order food from Zomato, like कोई भी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट से. That was my basic plan. But anyways, we didn't have our lunch because I slept and I just had chai biscuit पूरा दिन से, तो इसलिए we finally decided चलो डिनर जाते बाहर करते एंड यू नो गेट ड्रेस्ड अप. सो या दैट्स व्हाई हम लोग डिनर को बाहर गए एंड या आई नो वी डिडंट डू मच बट यू गेट इट राइट. कोरोना अभी भी है. सो या एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम blabbering so much. I'm gonna finish off this cake because I don't want it to go waste and my mom's gonna sleep. So yeah, happy new year everyone. This is the last video of 2020, the last video that I'm shooting and 2021 शुरू हो गया है. So happy new year and I hope you all follow all the resolutions you plan on making. So yeah, I'll see you on Monday in my next video and yeah, until then take care, stay safe and I love you guys and subscribe करो. अगर अभी तक subscribe नहीं किया है तो please करो. सांग त्यांना subscribe करायला.
सबस्क्राईब करो, लाईक करो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो.
So मम्मी ने भी बोल दिया सब्सक्राइब करने. So सब्सक्राइब करो अभी एंड मैं आपको मंडे को मिलती हूँ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.
बाय, गुड नाईट.